new tool is fighting gang-related crime in Jefferson County. It was unveiled today. The Jefferson County DA plans to begin filing injunctions against known gang members in the area. Fox 4's Jennifer Gordy tells us about the new initiative designed to stop crime before it happens.
We go to court and we sue a gang and say that the gang is in essence a public nuisance.
District Attorney Cory Crenshaw is applying civil law to stop gang crime in southeast Texas.
And we identify which gang is the nuisance. We identify the area of town that the gang is responsible for the majority of its crime. And then you ask the court to set various conditions to cure and remedy that public nuisance.
What unfolded 2 years ago in Port Arthur is exactly the type of gang problem Crenshaw wants to stamp out. Investigators identified 8 members of the Norte gang and linked them to the robbery of the Mini Mart on 25th and 6th Streets. Not only that, 7 other holdups and a home invasion across Port Arthur, Port Neches, and Groves. The DA's office plans to use injunctions against known gang members who've committed at least 5 gang-related offenses in the past year.
4 of these gang members committed 15 auto burglaries last month, and it's 11:30 at night, and they're out past their curfew or together or violating any part of the injunction. You don't have to wait for them to commit an auto burglary. You put all 4 of them in jail for violation of the injunction, and you don't have any auto burglaries that night.
Police in the DA's office are setting up what they call a safety zone, an area of high gang crime in Port Arthur.
Those 2 guys are on the gang injunction, they're inside the safety zone, or they're not supposed to be together, or they're violating one of the other issues in the gang injunction. And like I said earlier, we can take action before a crime is committed.
They're not ready to release where the safety zone will be located, but they leave no doubt about the goal.
Hopefully it will dissolve the gangs totally in our community in Jefferson County, and hopefully it'll make our crime rates go way down, specifically in Port Arthur, where there seems to be a gang problem.
Molfino says he expects about 10 known gang members to be named in the first injunction.
If you're not committing a criminal offense, and if you're not part of a criminal street gang, you've got nothing to worry about in Jefferson County. But if you are, shame on you.
A warning from an officer with a new weapon in his arsenal against gang members. In Port Arthur, Jennifer Gordy, Fox 4 News.
The DA hopes to have his first injunction before the end of the year.